So recently I've been having this problem. The way that our bedroom feels now is like it's just my boyfriend's room. It doesn't really feel like our room. So currently I'm a bit bedroomless and I'm tired of that shit.
So, this bedroom has been the exact same the entire time I have known Tim. So for obvious reasons, it does not feel like my bedroom or our bedroom. It just feels like my boyfriend's bachelor bedroom. So that's got to change. That being said, I think I already know pretty well what I want to do with this bedroom, but I should probably tell Tim what I'm planning on doing before I just tear everything apart and he like comes home. Do I tell him? I should probably tell him.
Oh God. Oh no.
Look.
You're rolling, aren't you?
Yes. Could you scoot over a little bit?
Okay. Yes, dear?
Could you put a little more enthusiasm into that?
My queen, my princess, my everything, my sun and the moon and the stars in the sky.
Okay, so you remember how a couple of months ago I told you that I don't feel like the way that the bedroom is now, that it's like our bedroom? It's because nothing's changed since I've started dating you.
You're talking about the bedroom, yeah.
Yeah, I think that I want to start tackling that.
You want to tackle the bedroom?
Absolutely. By tackle it, I mean get rid of all of your
Of course. That's exactly what it means.
No, I'm totally kidding.
No, you're not.
Not get rid of, more like rehouse.
You want to put my stuff into a storage unit and get new stuff.
Just your bed frame.
Just the bedroom?
Yeah, because the bed frame doesn't fit the mattress. Because
There's
remember,
nothing left in there.
Yeah, well, your bed frame is a king and our mattress is a
Well,
cow
yeah,
king.
we
It
need
doesn't fit.
Yeah, we need a bed frame, yeah.
So I think we need to kind of do a cost assessment, like, so we can figure out what we have to budget for.
Can we go back to Bob's and get more cookies?
Yeah, we can get more cookies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, maybe we can get a sponsorship by Bob's Discount Furniture.
A large following to get sponsorships for things. That's not.
Yeah, but we start now, Bob's. Look at you.
I don't think Bob is watching this, Tim.
You don't know. What up, Bob? Go.
So you're cheating on me with a man now, is what I'm hearing.
He owns a furniture store.
Listen, Tim.
He's a mogul.
I can't compete
Oh
with a 3-inch tall man with a furniture empire. I mean, I can't.
You can't.
Okay, then let's go see your
All right.
boyfriend. Your other
He has good cookies. What?
You see anything you like?
Cookies and ice cream over there.
Good cookies?
Oh yeah. Bob's has great cookies.
What do you think about right here? What do you think about like a plush headboard? Oh, this is a chew. We're gonna need to get some candies on the way out. Those are f***ing delicious.
You don't like something like this?
No. Is it at least comfortable? I mean, I could take a nap here, but not my style. What about this leather one?
This one? Oh, that one? No.
No?
No. I don't want it to look like I had to hunt my bed.
Does a set of leather chairs come with it? You know what I mean? The reclining ones. It comes with a Bud Light can in the cup holder.
Not about this. It's got a thing for your stuff. Got speakers in it. Jacks for your plug charger things. You know?
Honey, that is genuinely f***ing ugly. Hear me out.
Okay, but it's got
Hey!
cushiony backs.
Over here.
Listen, you hand me the camera.
What about this one?
Listen, I think I like this one. She's over there trying to talk me into that one over there. Oh, I don't like it.
What'd you say?
Anyway, so this one, look, it's got speakers. I don't know why. Maybe you can stream music or something.
Can I have the camera back?
No, you gave it to me.
I swear to God, why?
Look
does he
at
pick
that.
The ugliest f***ing...
Look at that. Did you see the door?
Honey, I love you. No.
I don't know that you do.
Honey, these ones have reading lights.
This is a matching thing. This matches.
Yeah, a lot of bedroom sets come
Yeah.
in a grouping. I think it's cool though because, I don't know, Bob's has a lot of like unique featured beds. Do you know what I mean? Like I don't necessarily like, I don't think it's pretty. Like I don't know. Like I would never have it as my bed frame, but I think it's interesting that it has lights built into it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, this one has lights too. Like these have lights?
Oh, it does.
Yeah. But it's the same wood style though.
It's a unique.
It's the same wood style. Yeah. This bed slope up. Or is it just me?
Yeah, it does. Okay, so hear me out. You remember how when we were shopping for mattresses, we were talking about potentially getting like one of those like bases that moves, because then you can like watch movies in bed comfortably and like all that stuff.
Yes.
How do
You're the
we,
ones that like the lean forward and the legs come up and like burps you.
yeah, how do you feel about getting one of those?
They don't really.
You don't want a mattress that
Do you
like,
want one? I just don't know that I would ever use it. Here's the thing is like I watch movies in bed because you want to watch movies in bed. I don't watch movies in bed. I watch movies on the couch next to the TV. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You want something, not necessarily this height, but you want something with the walls, right?
yes.
Okay, let me ask you this.
Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking to yourselves that he's going to say something intelligent or useful in any way. If this is what you were thinking, then you must be new to my channel, so welcome. If this is not what you were thinking, then welcome back.
When the intruders break in the middle of the night, you're going to hit this on your way out. You're going to be stuck. You're going to be in like, how do I get out of this bed? I can't get out because there's walls in the way. You know what I'm saying? This is a safety hazard.
You're really gonna let like 5
This
inches
is a-
stop you?
What is safety hazard?
No.
You want fabric, and I want wood. How about fabric and wood? Compromise. Half and half. You get what you want fabric. It's right here. You're getting what you want. It's not a compromise. It's two great things coming together.
Well, let me look at the
Just
side.
like you and me. Two great things coming together. See what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah, but here's the problem: is that it kind of already like looks cheap to me. Like it's pretty, but it feels like IKEA. But I like where your head's at. It like maybe.
Thank you. It's a step in the right direction.
Yes.
Okay.
I think we're gonna have to keep looking.
Okay. Sears. I didn't know there was a Sears here.
Yeah. Sears. I wonder if they have furniture.
Sears Zeal. No.
Remember when they used to have furniture?
Yeah. Sears has furniture.
Oh, maybe we should check them out after.
All right.
Listen, I know it doesn't go with any of the stuff we already have, but I love it.
No.
What do you mean no?
It's not.
Do you not love me and my hopes and dreams?
Wood and
I love it. I actually really like it.
Really?
Yeah, and then it wraps around so you don't like hit your shins.
I like it too, to be honest.
I really
the
like
light
it.
colors of it, because then it goes with, we could put like color.
Yeah, I like getting kind of a neutral bed frame, and then you can have colorful sheets and like colorful artwork and all that stuff.
Yeah, this seems gender neutral to me. The
Cal King 1300. That's not
terrible.
No, at least we know like what to budget for.
Mm-hmm.
Honey, I know I said that I didn't like all wood, but I like this.
What? It's all wood. This is exactly what you said you didn't want.
I know, but it's like, it's white. Is it expensive?
It's half the price of the other.
Well, that's Queen.
Yeah.
Cal
Okay.
King at 600.
Yeah.
That's doable.
That's half the price.
What do you think of it? The white one.
I mean, it's not terrible.
What do you mean it's not terrible? Well, I wouldn't put white sheets on it.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm
Maybe
trying
that's
to
what's
picture.
throwing you off. Like, I would definitely do like I like a good like forest green and like burnt orange.
Burnt orange, yeah, I could go for
Burnt
like
orange and
that
forest
burnt
green. Yes, like that. Like a burnt orange and like a forest green
orange? Yeah.
kind of mix. Okay, so the other day, Tim and I went furniture shopping, and we both found a bed frame that we loved, or so we thought. But then I slept on it, and I did a little bit of research because I had kind of a strange feeling, and I ended up being right about it. That bed frame does not go with the theme of the rest of the house or the furniture that we already have in the bedroom that we're keeping. So we already have the dresser that I got in a previous episode, which we are keeping, and I also have a chair in there that I bought years ago and I love, and it fits with the rest of the theme. But let me give you some visuals so that you can better understand what I'm talking about. I made a mood board for our bedroom based off of the furniture that we already have and what I thought would work well in addition to that. So as you can see, I've chosen a rough color palette, and the chair down below, along with the dresser down below, are furniture items that we already have. The rest of it are elements that I thought would look really good in the bedroom to go along with that. So you can see this aesthetic versus the bed frame that we found that we liked is more of this neutral sad beige. As you can see, these are two entirely different looks, and I thought I could dress it up with like maybe a colored duvet or something like that, but it's just too different. So this means that I have to tell Tim that I no longer like the bed frame that we both agreed on. We'll see how that goes. I've been waiting for you all day. Well, not really. The last like hour or so. Excuse me, Kirby. I have something to tell you.
Okay.
You know how we just went bed shopping? Like bed frame shopping? And
Yes.
we landed on a bed frame that we liked?
Finally found one that we both really like.
No, it doesn't work.
What do you mean it doesn't work?
It's the theme of that bed frame does not match the theme of the furniture we already have and the rest of the house.
What do you mean the theme?
Listen, I'll have to show you my like mood board. But listen, it's okay. So that it just doesn't go. I don't have time. I don't have time to explain right now. But just know we have to go furniture shopping again. Not now, but like later.
And that was when Tim broke up with me. I'm totally joking. But in all seriousness, I am happy to finally start the process of making this bedroom our bedroom, since it is an important part of Tim and I building our lives together. And I am full of ideas on how to go about it. If you're interested in watching more of my renovations, then this video might be worth a watch.